Good evening to the parents, players, coaches, organizers, and sponsors. First of all, thank you organizers and sponsors for giving this day an amazing day for all the players, with the coaches, and of course their family. Thank you also for the players for showing up today, and thank you for giving your best today. So, the sponsors appreciate that so much, all your efforts, and we all appreciate and enjoy watching you guys play. So thank you so much. And of course, congratulations to everyone. Congratulations sa mga sa teams na manalo. And congratulations for each and every one of you. Ika nga lagi ni Coach Ramil sa amin, walang totoong natatalo. Meron na tayong learning experience na nakukuha. And of course, we win. So, wala talaga yung natatalo. Hopefully, kung ano man ang experience na natutunan nyo, kung ano man ang mga bagay-bagay na natutunan nyo individually and as a team, hopefully, maging stepping stone to sa inyo to become a better team, a better person, inside and outside the court. So, thank you so much.